It's Ryja's first snowstorm. He's standing in the snow.
You're not even sinking down through.
What do you think about all this? What do you think? Yeah, it's fun?
You're getting cold.
Is it fun? His daddy's been sick for a week. Ryja already made a snow angel behind him. Ryja's first snow angel. Tell us. Should I get your picture like that? Because you look really cute.
You gonna touch it?
Gotta get it here now. There's a piece. Wanna touch it?
You gonna touch that snow?
Wanna touch it? He's like, no. You gonna touch it? What do you think? Cold. Burr cold. Burr cold. No reaction. Get that handy warm. Get it warm again.
Your face is getting covered.
I'm trying. There we go. I guess you don't care. He doesn't care.